In the hidden corners of our planet, extraordinary creatures defy the very laws of nature, exhibiting survival abilities that inspire both awe and terror. One such marvel is the tardigrade, a microscopic organism known for surviving extreme conditions from the depths of the ocean to the vacuum of space, capable of withstanding temperatures ranging from absolute zero to over 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Equally remarkable is the axolotl, a unique species of salamander that possesses the ability to regenerate entire limbs, spinal cords, and even parts of its heart, demonstrating a level of biological prowess that remains unmatched in the animal kingdom. Meanwhile, in the icy expanse of Antarctica, the emperor penguin braves the brutal frost, relying on its thick layers of blubber and cooperative behavior to withstand freezing temperatures, pushing the limits of endurance in a quest for survival.